Hello, my name is Star Tyus. I am a realtor with the best company in the land, Town Square Realty. And today I wanted to make a quick video. Often I get the question of what is needed in order to qualify me for a mortgage loan. I think it's important to know the things that can disqualify you and get your mortgage loan denied. Number one, undisclosed debt. Your credit report would paint a pretty accurate picture of your credit situation. It's some things that will not show up, with child support or alimony, things that is not showing up on their credit report because they're actually paying it on time. Sometimes people don't want to disclose it because they know it's going to count against them. Maybe they don't want to count it. Maybe they feel like it's not going to show up. Well, this kind of things do show up when the file goes to underwriting, because sometimes the underwriter analyze your bank statements or even your check stubs, and sometimes if it's going directly out of your check every month, it shows up, or it could even show up on bank statements. So the good thing would be to just disclose it up front to make sure you're in the right ballpark as far as the home that you're wanting to purchase. Make sure you can qualify for it with that debt being counted. Number two, overdraft fees or non-sufficient funds. One thing that underwriters look for when they looking at your bank statements is they look for NFS fees. So just make sure you don't have any. Getting a loan to receive a loan. Sometimes people, they feel like, hey, I need all the money in my bank account. My lender told me not to touch anything, don't buy any big purchases or anything, but I need some income. So I'm going to just get this loan. No. The main thing that lenders look at when they're trying to qualify you for a home loan is to make sure that the lender is not putting you in a bad situation. You're not having to get a loan to receive a loan. Don't get a loan, okay? Don't do it. If a friend or family member needs to give you a loan, you will need to go through the procedures with your lender, get a gift letter, get the friends or family member bank statements. You need their last 30-day bank statements, and that's the procedures. But as far as getting a loan from easy money or something like that, no, just don't do it. If you need to do a hardship on your 401k, it's the same thing. Talking with your lender, getting the right documentation so they can know where that money came from. But as far as just getting a loan from an institution, don't do it. Number 4, too little or too much income. I know what you're thinking. How in the world can I make too much income to the point where it disqualifies me for a mortgage loan? But this, my friends, can impose a problem if you are indeed trying to get a down payment assistance program that has income limitations. This could be USDA or any other type of down payment assistance program. Number 5, quitting or retiring from your job. I know it may sound silly to some people, like, why would I quit my job if I'm trying to purchase a home? But some people do. They quit. They say, hey, I couldn't take it. I got another job lined up. I start next week. No. Hang in there. If you're purchasing a home, don't quit your job. Try not to get fired, and don't retire. I know it's tempting, I know. But just stay, at least till you at least till you close. Buying a big purchase. Don't. Student loans. I mean, we all hate them. Some of us have them. I think we all hate them. Far as purchasing a home and getting an FHA loan, your student loan payments will count against you as debt. It used to be where you could defer those payments and they won't count it against you. But right now, with an FHA loan, the FHA guidelines is they count 1% of the loan's balance or the amortized payment amount. What I would do when I'm getting ready to purchase a home, I would get with whoever my student loans is with, and I will ask them for a copy of the amortized payment amount, just so you can see which is the lowest, because your lender would need to count the lowest payment. So whether that's the 1% or the amortized payment amount, and that's the payment they need to count. And that, my friend, could either make you or break you, because sometimes a loan is dead. But if you have a good lender, they know that they can get the amortized payment amount, and that amortized payment amount may, in fact, be lower than that 1%. Down payment. A FHA loan, the down payment is 3.5%. My friends, you need to save up for a down payment. So it is programs out there, which is 0 money down, 100% financing. You have programs that is 0.5% down. You know, some good programs out there. But if I'm getting prepared to purchase a home, I will go ahead and start saving to at least make sure if I need to just do a FHA loan, I at least have 3.5% to put down on that purchase. W-2s in handy. So if I am an employee, if I am employed at a institution or supermarket or whatever, I should have my last 2 years of W-2s. Now, if I had 4 jobs in those last 2 years, I would need all 4 of those W-2s for those jobs. So make sure you have your W-2s in hand. Just so you can be aware, an underwriter can look at your bonus income and not count it if there's indication that it's significantly decreasing. Too little income. When purchasing a home, the underwriters will look at your debt versus your income. So the amount of income that is needed to purchase the home that you are trying to purchase is going to be determined on your debt versus your income. Debt before closing. Don't go out and buy a new car before you close on your home. Now, the day after you close on your home, get your car, but get your home first. Not only car, don't go out and buy that couch for that new beautiful den that you're going to have, or go out and buy whatever. Don't increase your debt. Don't charge up your cars. Don't use your cars. Don't increase your debt. Period. Leave your debt alone. Leave it alone. If you've already got approved or pre-approved or pre-qualified, let everything stay that way. Let it stay. Don't buy nothing. Large employment gaps. Be prepared to document 2 years of employment history. If you had to take time off of work due to a personal reason, maybe you had a baby or maybe you got injured, be prepared to document that time off. I just gave you reasons why your mortgage loan could get denied. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, if you want to buy a home or sell a home, please give me a call.